Towing safely starts with clear visibility, and nothing improves your awareness on the road faster than a proper set of trailer tow mirrors. These telescoping towing mirrors are designed specifically for 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickups, as well as 2007 classic models, delivering a factory-style upgrade that dramatically enhances both safety and driving comfort. From daily driving to hauling heavy trailers, this mirror set gives you the wider, clearer view your truck was meant to have. Each package includes a complete pair of mirrors for the driver and passenger sides, engineered to fit perfectly without drilling or vehicle modification. The mirrors measure 18.5 inches when closed and extend to 21.26 inches, allowing you to adjust quickly depending on whether you are towing or driving unloaded. The large mirror surface size of 12.2 by 7.68 inches provides excellent rearward visibility, helping you monitor trailers, blind spots, and surrounding traffic with confidence. Functionality is where these mirrors truly stand out. They feature power-adjustable and power-heated plane mirrors to maintain clear visibility in cold or wet conditions, along with a manually adjustable convex lens that expands your field of view. Integrated LED turn signal lights add visibility to other drivers, while manual telescoping and folding give you flexibility for tight parking spaces or narrow roads. Every function is designed to enhance control and reduce stress behind the wheel. Installation is straightforward thanks to a plug-and-play design that connects directly to your factory wiring. While professional installation is recommended for best results, no cutting or drilling is required. It is important to confirm your vehicle supports the same functions, such as turn signals or heating, since features will only operate if your truck is equipped for them. If you want sturdier mirrors, better towing visibility, and a noticeable upgrade in driving confidence, these telescoping tow mirrors are a smart investment. Click the product link in the video description to check compatibility and current pricing. Subscribe to the channel for more truck upgrades, towing accessories, and honest gear reviews to help you drive and tow with confidence.